Congratulations on your failure. I'm serious. Seriously. Most people never even try. They sit on ideas, they wait for the right moment, and nothing happens. Failure only belongs to people who moved, people who took the risk, people who stepped forward, those who put themselves out there and got it. That deserves respect. But there's another part to this, responsibility. If I say these things publicly, if I share my thoughts every day, then I carry a responsibility too. Because even if there's one person that listens, one person decides to stand up, one person decides to try after failing, then I must be careful what light I shine. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's the entrance fee. So if you have failed something recently, good, very good. That means you're playing the game. Now stand up, dust yourself off,